Yo, what's good, YouTube? Um, Seeing the success as my last video was, I'm gonna do a little follow-up video. It's currently this date. You can do the math on when, however long ago that was, but we're about almost ready to go home. So I thought I would make this video. I'll upload this one once I am home. It's been about 8 or 9 months or so. Um, So this video will be an update on my kit, how it survived, how I have it set up, and how it's actually changed. So first things first, I'm gonna make this very short because I gotta be somewhere soon. The front placard, as y'all remember, it's pretty much the same. I brought it up a tad bit, so there's one piece of molly here that's not used. I brought it up so the magazines can be a little bit more secure. Some good old green tips in there. Got my combat shears, got a little flag. We are not allowed to have ranks or names on any of our kits or even our uniforms here, so all that's off. Just got some markers and stuff. Got my seatbelt cutter. Got a little Gerber where I put, not Gerber, carabiner where I put my gloves and shit. Right here. Moving on, got my radio here. It's on the inside of my cummerbund. It's a lot more comfortable this way, so I can have, my magazines on the outside. So I have it on the inside. I have the power and the channel select on the outside, so when I'm wearing the kit, I can easily change this. Due to how often I use the radio and how often I'm actually wearing kit, I prefer the little trucker's mic over my Peltors. I haven't really used these much here because I'm, wearing this so fucking often that these get really uncomfortable, and this is just a lot more convenient. So, using the trucker mic, I got a little earplug thing somewhere which I can use in case I'm like around our partner forces or some shit where they're not allowed to hear. Still got my Garmin. The strap actually broke, so I'm using a little plastic J hook or whatever the fuck these things are called to secure this here. All right. Moving on. One thing you might notice, my Haley Strategic flat pack is now off. The reason I took that off is because I'm mainly working inside of trucks. I'm up in the gun turret, moving indoors and all that, and the flat pack was getting in the way. That's also why I also moved the radio pouch over here on the inside, because I'm doing a lot of work inside and out of vehicles, and this has added a whole bunch of hulk that I did not need. I needed a flat smooth bag. As you can see, like, it's been pretty worn down. Moving on, so I covered the front. Oh, we cover, don't want to lose that guy. We covered the little admin pouch. Get this down. All right, admin pouch. The SCM panel, very important for like fucking with our partner forces. We do near and far recognition and say, all right, here, I can flash you twice and you flash me 4 times. That's what that's good for. Got some smart cards, don't worry about that. Marker. Here's this earpiece I was talking about. It's a little dusty, but that's all right. So this just plugs, god dang it. Just plug straight into here and have a little earpiece, so if I'm around my partner forces or maybe some civilians and stuff, they don't hear what's going over the net. Got my whistle, got my compass, got my little IR strobe and my 9-volt. I also got my chapstick, very important. It's very dry out here. Solid tip here. In here, got some double A's, AAAs. I'm almost out of AAAs. Lens wipe and a headspace and timing gauge. Headspace and timing gauge, very important. Again, working with partner forces, they use the older M2s. So, you know, if I don't want to blow up while I'm doing like a live fire or training with them, very important to fucking have. So that's everything in there. Moving on to the side. I don't remember how this was set up last time. I don't remember if I had anything here. Y'all can watch my previous video to see on how I had that there. But this is just an extra pouch for anything extra I had to carry. Don't have anything in there, but like if I need to carry frag grenades, smoke grenades, pyro, you know, if I need to carry, you know, like 320 rounds, those can be in there, you know. Pretty much it's just an extra little pouch to have. In here I have, well, let me get it out for you. In here I have my nods, my night vision in here, along with a thing of my rhino mount, along with my ear pro, which was in here. No, it's not, I guess. Oh, that's gone. So that's in there. This one's empty. Over here, just a spare compartment for batteries for my radio, and that's on the side as well. So extra batteries for the radio will go in there. Besides that, it's pretty much everything I've covered. So moving on to my pelt, it's kind of changed a bit. So you can see there's a lot less shit on here because, you know, I'm pretty much wearing this thing every single goddamn day. So I would like it light. Just kept an M4 mag on here. One extra M17 mag, 21 rounds. Have that in here. Got a Kerber in here as well, and then my IFAK. These IFAKs fucking suck. Should have got a different one, but hey, whatever. It's lessons learned, right? And then obviously my pistol, I weave it onto my actual pelt, and then where is it? One second. Here it is. And then when I'm not using it, just clip it in here. Boom. And then pistol in here. It's a lot more convenient because if I'm not wearing that, I can always have my pistol on me and I don't have to wear a belt. I can just take off this, and now I'm just slick. I don't have to worry about that pouncing around it everywhere. Moving on to the last piece, the helmet. Pretty good. The little buckle peg here broke after like week 3, so this has been tied. The string up here is beginning to break as well, so I just have, you know, fucking electrical tape. Besides that, nothing really pertinent about the ACH or the ICH, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't know what it's called. I really don't care. But yeah. Besides that, M4, just nothing special about that. Besides that, it's pretty much it. Just want to make a little follow-up video from like kind of interesting on like how my theory was before I came out, and then how that's obviously evolved. Kind of a prime example would be the flat pack, because I wasn't expecting to be working in vehicles and in, you know, those CQB environments that I thought I would be. So that's obviously gone. You guys are probably gonna ask, like, how do you like drink water and stuff, you know? And that's because of these. I just have this in my fucking cargo pocket everywhere I go. Boom. Got all the water I ever need, and plus we're always not that far away from our trucks anyways, and we have thousands of these in there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and hopefully my speech didn't fucking deter any of y'all, but sick nasty.